Hey guys, I'm going to start this hairstyle by parting out a rectangle on top of her head, and we're going to French braid this section later. And then I'm just going to tie this hair out of the way for now. Now on one side of her head, I'm going to part out a section. I'm doing this about level with her ear, about that far back. And we're also just going to tie this out of the way for now. And then with all of the hair remaining, I'm just going to pull it back into a ponytail. All right, now that I have that ponytail in, we're going to work on this top part. I'm going to be making a French braid here. If you'd rather do a Dutch braid, you can do that instead. As I'm making this braid, I'm going to make sure that I'm not getting it too tight. I want it a little bit loose so that I can puff it up in the end and it will be more like a faux hawk. As you can see, since I braided this pretty loose, if I push up on this, it kind of makes the whole thing raise up. On top of that, I am going to go back and stretch it out a little bit more. And to do that, I'm basically just going to be tugging on the pieces that are coming into the braid. Not like the entire section here, but just this piece there, if you can tell the difference. Now that I have that stretched out and looking how I want it to, I'm going to push it forward and then I'm going to go ahead and tie it in with this elastic that's already here for the ponytail. Now with this remaining hair, we're going to make a heart. I'm going to take this entire section and just gather it all into an elastic. And now I'm going to split this into 3 sections and make a braid with each of those pieces. If you have long hair, you don't need to braid all the way to the bottom. You basically just need enough that you can make a heart shape. I would say probably 5 or 6 inches of braid is what you're going to need. Now we're going to leave one of these braids in the middle, and then with each of these braids on the side, we're going to bring them back up through this elastic here at the top. So I'm basically just folding this right here at the top, and I'm going to bring the rest of it back through here. You want to make sure that both sides are about even, that you have the same amount of braid left. And then you're just going to take this and form your heart shape. You can decide how big you want it. It can go all the way back to the ponytail, or if you want a smaller heart, you can make it smaller. And then just add one more elastic. Now I'm going to remove the ends of all of these braids and just unwind them, and then we'll add everything into the ponytail. To finish this off, you could take a piece of hair and wrap it around the elastic, or you could add some type of bow or ribbon. We're just going to add some Valentine ribbon.
Happy Valentine's Day and see you next week!